Hey there, it's Jimmy again. Today we have something special that you won't see every day. Well, everything we show you don't see every day, but this is not a Lamborghini or Ferrari or anything like that. This is actually a Bradley GT. It's a kit car built between 1970 and 1981 in Massachusetts. You could buy them several different ways. You could either buy them completely built up and ready to go, or just buy the body, or just buy different bits and then add your own chassis. So these were actually built on a VW Bug chassis. So basically you'd supply a Bug, take the body off, and then mount this body to it. So as you can see right back here, where the engine, well, the engine would have been here, but that's obviously a VW Bug transmission, all VW Beetle rear end stuff. Pretty interesting, but yeah, just kind of sat on the floor plan, and that's it. There's the gas tank. So these were made out of fiberglass. This one is kind of a metallic gray, sparkly paint applied to it. Mag wheels that you'd supply yourself. Pretty swoopy as far as the body goes. Headlights are cool. These you could get several different ways. In this case, these are the flip up kind. So these covers are actually still in place, but just the hinges are broken. So these would mount like that. And then you'd hit the switch and they'd go down. So then the lights would go on. In this case, they're down for good. But pretty interesting, the covers are still in place. But the windshield was actually a Corvette windshield from the 60s. Then it had these gull wing type curtain doors that sort of popped up. Doesn't seem like to be particularly weatherproof, but I guess we're better than nothing, and better than some convertibles of the day, I guess. Then the back window fit in here, and there were several different options available. Just a back window, or one that was swoopier, went further back. And apparently there's even kind of a wagon camback type thing that was available, but haven't seen one of those. But it's kind of cool. You've got these stock taillights with signal stat in New York, Toronto. 4 of those. One of them is missing. Put the fuel in there. Not much left of the interior, but you know, you can see the Bug floor pan underneath there. Looks like it was reddish maybe. And then this body's just bolted to it. Got a VW Beetle steering wheel with the Wolfsburger logo. And then VDO gauges there. Check that out. Only 94 miles on the odometer. I wonder if that's 94, if it's 100,000 in 94, or if the odometer broke. Could be. Who knows? Pretty interesting to think about, though. But you've got all the gauges that you want. Basically, you want more, just drill another hole in the dashboard and you're good to go. Seats, you kind of just source whatever you want and it would work. And yeah, so Bradley GT. Kind of an interesting thing from 1970 to 81. No real way of knowing which year it is, but anyway, if you liked what you saw here and you want to see more, just hit subscribe and maybe the like button, or ask questions in the comments and I'll answer them. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.